Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. It seems like Samsung's next wearable will be named the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Samsung recently registered a logo for the Samsung Galaxy Watch with the Korean Intellectual Property Organization, as spotted by Galaxy Club. You can check out the filing and logo below. The name and logo are shown on the right. Galaxy Club. The filing seems to confirm the Galaxy Watch name. Previous rumors referred to Samsung's upcoming wearable as the Samsung Gear S4, following the naming structure of the Gear S3 and Gear S2 before that. But we also heard rumors that the device may be called the Galaxy Watch, not the Gear S4. Perhaps this means Samsung may release two wearables, the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S4, or Samsung is rebranding its Gear S watches with the Galaxy Watch name. For more on the Samsung Gear S4, or maybe Galaxy Watch, you can read CNET's rumor roundup here. Samsung didn't immediately respond to a request for comment.